Okay, I'm a kindergarten teacher at Madison Street, and I was okay for a little while, and then I started having a lot of back pain. I couldn't bend down, I couldn't lift anything, I couldn't turn around, I just couldn't do the activities with the kids. And one of my students' parents told me that they came to Dr. Walker for their back, and he did a wonderful job for them. So I said, okay, give me the name and the number, and I'll give him a call, because it was getting ready to go into summer. And that's how I found Dr. Walker. I called him and left a message, and then he came back and he called me personally and talked to me for a few minutes and told me when to call back and set up an appointment. Okay, once I got here at the office, everyone was so nice to me. I had to have my workup to find out where the problem was. Once Dr. Walker found the problem, he set up sessions for me to come in, and I started doing my sessions, and then a little while after that I started feeling better, but then it came a time when the pain came back excruciating. So we talked a little bit, and then he recommended me to go see Dr. Sanchez and see whether or not he can do something for me, because the pain was getting beyond just the little massages and the workup and the table stuff. So I went to Dr. Sanchez and talked to him, and he said, well, you have a little problem down there, a little bit more than maybe Dr. Walker can work with. So he suggested some things like acute and some other pills that he gave me, the fish oil and some other stuff that he told me I can take and help ease up the pain and get rid of the inflammation in my back. That worked for a little bit, but it wasn't enough to get rid of the pain. So he gave me some shots, and after about 2 weeks of having the shots, my pain was gone. There was no more pain. I could bend, I could live, I could stand up to the sink, I could wash dishes, I could drive, I could do all the normal things that I used to do before my back started giving me problems. I would recommend them to anybody. They are a wonderful team. They work together to do whatever it is necessary to get you back on the right track. And I just love them both. They did a wonderful job with me. When I started coming here and through all the sessions that I've had here with Dr. Walker, Dr. Sanchez, the people that work here are wonderful. They take care of you, they make sure you're comfortable, they do whatever it needs to make sure you have the things that you need, and they work with you with your exercises. So I had a wonderful experience here. If I had to recommend anybody to a doctor, I would recommend Dr. Walker. He is a wonderful doctor. He takes pride in what he does. He takes his time, he listens to you, and he does what is necessary to make you feel better.